In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem rewards codes on Monopoly Go. If you're a fan of Monopoly Go and love getting rewards to boost your gameplay, then you're in the right place. We're going to go through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along and get those valuable rewards added to your account. First, open up your favorite web browser and head to the official Monopoly Go website. You can do this on any device that has internet access, whether it's your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Simply type monopolygo.com into the search bar, and you're on your way. Once you land on the home page, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Next, you'll want to sign into your Monopoly Go account. For this, click on the Sign In with Facebook button. Ensure that you're logged into your Facebook account in the same browser for a smoother experience. This integration makes the process simpler and faster by using your existing Facebook credentials to access your Monopoly Go profile. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Monopoly Go home section. This will be your hub for all the essential game actions and updates, including redeeming rewards. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for future visits because it's where you'll be landing most of the time. After reaching the home section, direct your attention toward the Reward Codes tab. Click on it to proceed. The Reward Codes section is where all the magic happens. You'll input any special codes you have for in-game bonuses or offers. Keep an eye on promotional emails or official Monopoly Go announcements, as these codes can often be shared through their communications or special events. Finally, once you've clicked on the Reward Codes tab, you'll see an option to claim your reward. Click on it and simply enter the reward code you have. Double-check the code for any typos or mistakes, as errors can prevent successful redemption. Once confirmed, your reward should be credited to your account almost immediately. And just like that, you've successfully redeemed a reward code on Monopoly Go. Be sure to frequently check back for new codes, as they can greatly enhance your gaming experience. If you encounter any issues during the process, ensure your internet connection is stable, or try refreshing the page. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!